So the next position we will go to is the data scientist. So a data scientist builds models that use statistics and machine learning to predict outcomes in the future. That can be things like customer churn, forecasting, fraud detection, and even recommendation engines. You're definitely writing a lot more Python in this role. You'll be using things like scikit-learn and PyTorch, and even something like TensorFlow. You run experiments, you validate model performance, and then you work closely with engineering to deploy that model to production. Here's the reality that nobody talks about for this role. A huge chunk of this day-to-day is wrangling and cleaning up data and normalizing it. It's literally like 60 to 70% is just cleaning and organizing the data, where the other 30% is the actual model building aspect of the role. So now we'll get into who thrives in a data scientist role. You're probably a good fit if you love math and statistics, not just tolerating it, so actually enjoying it. You're curious and comfortable with uncertainty because models are never perfect. That's why you continue to evaluate the accuracy and make changes to that model. You like more research style of work, so where you form a hypothesis and then you test that and be able to see that through. You have or are building strong Python skills. So you might struggle if you hate ambiguity or unclear directions or paths because it's very exploratory. If you don't like digging into deep math, or you want faster, more tangible results. Like I said, most models, I'd say all models, are not perfect. And that's the job of the data scientist, is to continuously test, reevaluate, and deploy their models in order to increase the accuracy and predict things that are coming in the future. So the salary range for a data scientist could be anywhere from 100K to 160K from mid to senior level roles.